The surface of balloon is suppressed, thin and tight when it is full of air, and it is firmer than when it is half full. So, if more air is forced in, the balloon will burst. Today, we will also revise our previous concept about matter, and we will revise page number 72, question number 1, MCQs, and question number 2, column matching. And first question is, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following is not one of the properties of water? Option A, it has a definite volume. Option B, it does not have a definite shape. Option C, it has a definite shape. And option D, it does not smell of anything in particular. And the correct answer is option C, it has a definite shape. Because it is not the property of water, and the remaining options are true. It has a definite volume, it does not have a definite shape, and it does not smell of anything in particular. Correct answer is option C, it has a definite shape. It is not the property of water. Next one, second, which of the following are ways to separate salt from water? Option A, filtration. Option B, evaporation. Option C, decantation. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, evaporation, because to remove salt from water, we use evaporation method. Next, third MCQ is, what can you use to remove iron fillings from a mixture of substances? Option A, magnet. Option B, water. Option C, filtration. And option D, evaporation. And the correct answer is option A, magnet, because magnets are used to remove magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. So option A is the right answer. Magnet is used to remove iron fillings from a mixture of substances. Next one, a solution is created when option A, a solute is mixed in a solvent. Option B, a solvent is mixed with sand. Option C, salt is mixed with flour. And option D, sugar is mixed with sand. And the correct answer is option A, a solute is mixed in a solvent. Solution is made up of two things, solutes and solvent. So, a solution is created when a solute is mixed in a solvent. And the last MCQ is, which two of the following will not dissolve in water? Option A, salt. Option B, sugar. Option C, oil. And option D, sand. And the correct options are option C, oil, and option D, sand. Because these two, oil and sand, will not dissolve in water, and salt and sugar will dissolve in water. Next question, question number 2 is, match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. Column A, first one, the solid that remains on the filter paper after filtration. And the correct answer is option C, residue. The solid that remains on the filter paper after filtration is called residue. Next, second, the liquid that passes through a filter paper. And the answer is option D, filtrate. The liquid that passes through a filter paper is called filtrate, and the solid that remains on the filter paper, this is called residue. Third, the method used to separate heavier solid particles from a liquid. And the answer is A, decantation. Decantation method is used to separate heavier solid particles from a liquid. For example, sand can be separated from liquid through decantation method. Next one, fourth, when particles in a liquid fall to the bottom. And the answer is E, sedimentation. Sedimentation is the setting of particles at the bottom. So, When particles in a liquid fall to the bottom, this process is called sedimentation. And the last column is the method of separation in which the liquid is heated. And the answer is B, evaporation. In evaporation method, we heat the liquid to separate a substance from a liquid. Thank you so much.